Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Sultan Technical. How are you? Today our topic is about email marketing. What is email marketing? A beginner's guide to email marketing. It may be one of the oldest forms of digital communication, but email still reigns supreme when it comes to usage. Sure, there are other newest methods of communicating with your audience and customers. Communication methods like social media, live chat, and many others. However, with a user base of over 4 billion people, email is the king of marketing channels. Additionally, email marketing has an ROI of $38 for every dollar spent, meaning it deserves a place in every marketer's toolbox. Email marketing is still ranked as the most effective marketing channel, beating out social media, SEO, and affiliate marketing. Why is that? With all that hype over new channels, why is decades old technology still one of the most effective marketing strategies? Despite the rise of social, people use email more than other platforms. After all, what's the good of marketing to someone if they are not there? Data shows that most people are on email and the number of increases every year. These are the number of email users worldwide from 2017 to 2024 in millions. These are the number of email in millions users worldwide. In addition, with email marketing, you own the connections. You don't have to worry about algorithm changes tanking your reach. That's why building a successful email marketing campaign is more important than ever. There's a problem, most people don't know how to do it right. In fact, you are probably seen those people in your email box. This post will walk you through tips and strategies for executing impactful email marketing campaigns. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the act of sending promotional message to people in mass quantities. It typically is to generate sales or leads, and it may contain advertising. Remember, you are a guest in their box. People are inundated with interruptions, pitches, and advertisements everywhere they look. Though you might think your email is special to the reader, your email is one in a billion, and not in a good way. This is why it's important to remember where you are and use good manners. Getting into someone's inbox is like being invited to their home for dinner. If they ask you to take your shoes off, you respectfully do so. It's the same with email marketing. So before we begin, I would simply like to remind you to be on your best behavior at all times, and remember, you are a guest in their box. Now let's talk about how to build your email marketing strategy from the ground up. How does email marketing work? Email marketing is one of the top performing strategies, in no small part because it's fairly intuitive and often automated. In its basic form, an effective email marketing campaign requires three essential elements. One is an email list. For you to pull off successful email campaigns, you need an active email list. This is a database of email contacts who have expressed interest in receiving marketing communication from your brand. There are many ways to build an email list. One of the easiest is to create a lead magnet, also called an offer your target audience is interested in, like a coupon, in exchange for their email addresses. Second one is an email service provider. An email service provider, also known as an email marketing platform, is software that helps manage your email list. It also helps design and execute automated email marketing campaigns. Using an ESP allows you to automate actions triggered by your target audience behaviors. These enable you to personalize each interaction with them, meaning engagement and conversion rates generally improve. Third one is clearly defined goals. You can use email marketing to achieve many business goals. For example, you can use email marketing to drive sales, boost brand awareness, generate and nurture leads, keep customer engaged, increase customer loyalty and lifetime value. To execute an effective email marketing campaign, your email list, ESP, and goals must align. Then you can get to work. The first step is to segment your email list according to subscriber demographics or actions. Next, create an email or series of emails designed to get consumers to do something your goal. Finally, use your ESP to send emails and monitor the campaign automatically. Advantages and disadvantages of email marketing. Just like any other marketing channel, email marketing has pros and cons. Let's briefly dive into some of the more significant ones. Advantages of email marketing. Email is permission based. When a customer trusts you with their email address, it's a virtual equivalent of being given the keys to their house. Gaining permission to enter rather than showing up uninvited increases the chances of engagement and conversion. Affords you direct access to your audience. You can communicate directly with subscribers on their schedules. In addition, because people check their emails daily, your email is likely to be viewed. Gives you more control. With most other marketing platforms, you don't own the platform. If the platform ceases to exist, all your hard work sinks with it. With email, you own the relationships you form with your subscribers. More personalization capabilities. You can use demographic or physiographic data to create personalized and hyper targeted campaigns. Research shows segmented and personalized campaigns increase revenue by as much as 760%. Measurable. Measuring the effectiveness of a marketing campaign is crucial, and automated email marketing makes measuring your campaign a breeze. Scalable. Email marketing campaigns can scale without putting a strain on your resources or compromising quality. These are all about email marketing, digital marketing. Subscribe this channel and like the video.